for my ping ping. Let's screen share. Wide ball. Share. Let's play action serial. अरे यार. Ready to play action zero. Who's that? There you go. I put a hat here. That's a fail. Further. I would have kept it here. Then I'll keep it here. Now, draw line. Yui! Yui! See if I win. The stamp here. Ready? And draw something like as in. Yui! I draw on top. I'll erase it as. Awesome.
Good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mani.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, wait, I'll make you the host. First of all, I should have the option to make you the host. Maybe. Should I make you the host?
Yeah. Yes, Apia, you can.
Wait, ma'am. I have to find you first in that. Yeah, got you. Make host. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
See, ma'am, you're the host now.
Yeah. Okay. So all of you switch on your camera so that I can see you. What was the homework? Have you done the homework? Anybody has doubt? Any doubt in the previous exercise 1.6?
No, ma'am.
Anyone is facing problem? No? Done or not?
Ma'am, I told Saglan to send me the picture of the book. He sent me at 2 o'clock in the night. How will I see it? I
Yesterday?
was sleeping. Yes.
Yesterday or day before yesterday?
Yesterday.
Okay, no problem, Abdullah. I have sent the last exercise. Both the exercise you complete and upload on Google Classroom. Okay? Sakleen, why did you do that? Night 2 o'clock, you were awake? Huh?
I'm here in Dubai.
Okay.
How will I say?
Okay, it's okay. You could have sent it in the afternoon also. Okay, fine, Abdullah. Just complete both the exercises. I have uploaded it on the Google Classroom now. Okay. the last end of the review question. This is the last exercise, and the last one is end of the review question. That is just the revision of the whole chapter. Okay, so complete, all of you complete that exercise, which is end of review. And next week, if you have any doubt, we can have discussion on that. Okay, I'll just ask some question from this exercise to check whether you have done it or not. Question number 10. Anybody has found the answer? I'm not asking Abdullah because he has not done. So find 3 square numbers that add up to 125. There are 2 ways to do this. Those who have done. Yes, Amina, have you done?
Page number.
Page number 17. This was your homework.
One question. Which question?
Ma'am,
Number 10.
did I tell you the answer for 9A?
9A we already did in the class yesterday.
Uh-huh.
The questions we didn't solve, that was your homework. Those questions I'm asking. The question number 10 is little bit tricky question. For that you need a little bit of thinking. Muazzam, Mudabbir, have you done?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the
Ma'am, I did.
question.
Yes, Muazzam. What is the answer?
Ma'am, squares that add up to 125, that question, right?
Yes.
So 5 square, 6 square and 8 square.
Yes, excellent. That is 8 square, which is 64. 6 square is 36, which makes it 100. And plus 5 square, which is 25. So it makes 125. Okay. So the question was find 3 square numbers. Is it clear, Muni? Find 3
Yes,
square
ma'am.
numbers that add up to 125. See, what is the trick in doing that? 25 you already know is a square. So you just remove 25. Now 100 you have to break it such that it is a sum of 2 squares. So 8 square and 6
64
square.
plus 36.
Okay, ma'am, I
6
understood.
plus 4 is 10. And 60 plus
64
30 is
is square.
90. And 90 plus 10 is 100.
Yeah.
And plus 25.
25, which is 5 square. Any doubt is there in this question? See,
No, ma'am.
I'm giving you assignment. Do some questions at home. For maths, actually, you should do every day 2 questions. I'm giving you so less exercise, just few 10 questions for a week. Yeah, Ahmad, we are just discussing the homework. Exercise 1.6. Have you done 1.6? So I was discussing this question number 10. I don't think anybody has done. Only Muazzam Mudabbir has completed the homework.
10 question I did.
10th you did just now, na? Safia?
Wait.
Humaira, have you done?
Ma'am, I also did.
Anyone has completed? The exercise 1.6?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in the question 11,
Yes.
question 11,
Yes.
I
I
got
had a doubt in question number 11.
Okay. Yes, Farhana, what is your doubt? Say whether each of these statements about square
Ma'am,
numbers.
can I say one thing? Can I ask you one thing, ma'am?
Yes, Safia.
In question number 11, say whether each of these sigma or square numbers always true, sometimes true or never true. So we need to write something S and T like that.
So you have to say whether it is always true, whether it is sometimes true, or whether it is never true. So the last
So
digit.
what we have to do?
You have to just write always true, never true, or sometimes true. So
Sometimes
the question is the last digit is 5. Just think about any number.
sometimes.
So it is sometimes, because in 25 it is true, in 135 it is not true. So sometimes true. Last digit is 7. Is it true? What will be the answer?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
No, 7 can never be the end last digit of a square. Just think. It is never true.
Yes.
Okay. B part is last digit is 7. That means no square, perfect square number will have last digit as 7. You can check it. 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square, 4, 3 ka square, 9, 4 square is 6.
17.
Last digit is 6. 17 square mein last digit you will get 9 because 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Last digit means unit place. Is it clear?
17. 1 7.
1 7. So last digit is 7 only, na? So last digit is 7. So you will square. When you will square, you will get 7. 17 into 17 you will do, which is actually 7 into 7 will be the last digit. Okay. So 9 will be the last digit. So B part, it is never true. The last digit is a square number. It's
Sometimes.
always-
Ma'am, sometimes.
It
Sometimes.
will always be true.
Why?
Digit will always be a square number. If you're finding a square, last digit is always a square. Just see 17 into 17. The last digit will be 7 sevens are 49. 9.
Ma'am, but this
Yes. Think of
1
any
into
number.
1 into 1.
That is 1.
So ma'am, 1 is not a square number, ma'am.
1 is a square number. Square of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Okay. Clear?
Why?
The last digit is not 3 or 8. So
Ma'am,
in a
5?
square number, last digit is it true or false? Tell me, Mudabbir, is it true? What have you written? Not 3 or 8.
True.
The last digit can never be 3 or 8. Sometimes true, never true, or always true.
Never.
It is never true because 3 is not a perfect square and 8 is also not a perfect square. Okay. So it is never true. Is it clear, Farhana? Rest questions.
Ma'am, what is the answer for C?
Which question number C?
C.
Acha, 11. The last digit is a square number is always true.
Always.
Fine. Okay, I have uploaded last exercise end of unit review questions. This one. This exercise.
Ma'am, is my answer
Your
correct?
homework for next week. Okay.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
I cannot see Safia. The screen is not clear. Okay, just tell me what answer you have written.
For the first one, I mean 11A, I wrote sometimes.
We have discussed this just now. The last digit is 5 is sometimes true. Last digit is 7 is never true.
True.
Last digit is a square number, always true. And last digit is not 3 or 8. Not 3 or 8 it is written. Okay, sorry, I just didn't see not. Not 3 or 8 is sometimes true. Okay, because not 3 or 8 means it can be any other number. 1, 2, 5, 7. So it can be a square or it cannot be a square. So sometimes true. Fine. D part is sometimes true. Okay, now so coming
And
to
we need to do 11 also. Like one on page number 18, one we have to write that also the answers.
which answer you are asking?
Page number 18,
Page number
question
8.
number 1.
Page number 18 is what is page number 18? 16, 17, 18.
Yeah,
All
it's the same thing like that.
It is integer questions, factor, multiple, everything is covered in this exercise. So you have to solve all the questions. And if you are not
That's the
able
homework?
to do, yeah, that is your homework. I have uploaded it on Google Classroom also. So those who do not have the book, they can see from there also. And upload
which
the
one?
answer on Google Classroom only. Okay. You can upload it on the Google Classroom because we'll not discuss it in class. We have already done. It is just revision questions for this chapter. Okay. Next class will be starting with the new chapter. So if still you have any doubt in this exercise, ask on personal chat in Google Classroom only. Fine. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So coming to our topic. Okay, again, this is a question like we did yesterday. You have to find odd one out, and whatever instruction is given over here, we have to use that and cross the number. So in the end, you are left with only one number. Okay, and we have to use square, square root, cube, and cube root. So what is square root of 100, Safia? Square root of 100.
10, 10.
10. So I'll strike off 10. Okay.
Yeah.
Mudabbir, how many days in the week is squared? How many days in a week?
7.
And you have to square it.
49.
49.
49.
So it is 49 cross. Cube root of 10. Cube root of 1000 plus 5 square. Mozam. Cube root of 1000 plus 5 square. What will be the answer?
1000.
What is cube root of 1000?
10.
10 plus 5 square. What is
35, ma'am.
10 plus 25 is
35.
35. Where is it? 35. Okay. Square root of 144. Abdullah. Square root of 144.
Square root of 144.
Yes. You need to remember the squares and square root. Then only you will be able to find out.
12.
Yes, it is 12. Square root of 144 is 12. Cube root of 27. Sakleen. Cube root of 27. Cube root means 3 ka 1 will come out.
3.
Yes, 3. 3 3
Ma'am,
are
on top.
27. 8 square plus 10 square. Munir, what is it? 8 square plus 10 square. 8 square is what?
Ma'am, 11.
8 square. 8
No,
square
ma'am.
means 8 into 8.
8 square is 4. 8 square is 2.
8 square is 64. Na? 8 into 8. Munir,
Sorry,
Can I say the answer?
8 into 8. And what is 10 square? 100.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
100 plus 64. Yes, Safia, what is it?
164.
Yes, it is 164. Can you find 164?
Here, here.
Ma'am,
On the last
Yes,
line,
ma'am.
12.
What is 13 square, Amina?
160.
169.
9.
169.
Yes, 169. 1 cube plus square root of 1. What is 1 cube,
1.
Farhana?
1.
1.
And what is square root of 1?
1. So, ma'am, 2.
2 is the answer. So where is it? 2 is here. 11 square. Humaira, what is 11 square?
Can I say?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say?
121.
Yes, 11 square is 121. Now, Ahmad, 5 cube plus 5 square plus 5. What is the answer you are getting? 5 cube is what? 125?
125.
Ma'am, I know.
25. 155.
150.
155. Okay, it is there. 155. Okay, Sakleen, cube root of 64.
4.
Ma'am,
4.
4, yes.
4, 4.
4 into 4. So that is 64. Now, this one, how many months in the year? And you have to square it. How many months?
144, ma'am.
12 square. Yes, Farhana. 12 square is 144. Square root of 121.
11.
11.
11.
11.
11. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Muazzam, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square.
16. 16.
9 plus 4.
13.
How much you are getting?
13.
14, ma'am.
13.
14.
16.
Huh?
16.
14.
14.
9 plus 4 plus
9.
1. So you are getting
Yes, ma'am. 14.
6 square.
36.
36.
36.
36.
So now all done. So which is odd
No,
one?
ma'am.
16.
16.
16 is the answer for this question.
So, ma'am, cut that also out.
No, that is odd one out. This is the answer.
So, that answer, we'll cut it out. Now, we don't need it, no, ma'am. Let's cut
This is
it.
answer. Okay, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? Always
Where?
remember, whenever you're finding out the square, your unit digit is always a square number. Now, 81 square, you don't need to calculate it. You just have to,
81 into 81.
yes, don't calculate it. What will be the unit place of 81 square? Mudabbir, can you tell?
42.
No, not 42.
Ma'am, I don't understand the question.
1, ma'am, 1.
It will be 1. See, what when you multiply it, how do you multiply? Your unit place will always be this into this. So 1 into 1. Whatever number comes here, your last digit will be 1 only. Okay? 1 8s are 8. You write like this now. 1 and 8.
Yeah.
This way you calculate. Okay, so this is coming out as 1 only. So unit place will be a square. Means
91.
last digit ka square. So what will be the unit digit of 272 square?
2.
Explain.
Ma'am, what is the
Four.
unit digit?
Four.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what is the
four.
unit digit?
Unit means ones place. Unit
Ma'am,
is
2 will be
ones
only there.
Four.
Ma'am,
Four
it
will
will
be
be
there.
four.
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 Here it will be 4 because 2 2s are 4. So unit place will be 4.
Achha.
Ma'am, 81.
One.
One, ma'am.
One.
One. Sorry.
Yes. What will be the unit place?
Nine.
Square of
Nine.
9.
Nine.
will be 9. What will be the unit
Six.
place of
Six.
154?
Six.
4 is 16, so unit place will be 6.
Ma'am, in
Four.
Ma'am, I
799.
did not understand how you find the unit
Nine,
place.
ma'am. It will be nine.
So finding the unit place, just square the unit place, Amina. Just square the unit place. 4 4s are 16. 6 will come in the unit place. Is it clear, Amina?
Ma'am, but 7 is
Yes,
14 now, so.
7
Nine,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Nine.
Seven. Seven.
49.
41.
Nine.
49.
is the unit
Ma'am,
place.
Yeah,
16.
yeah.
Ma'am, if it's
Eight,
16, if the square
Four.
is 16,
Four. Four.
Four.
Four.
4.
8 8 is
ma'am, if the
16.
square is 16, then 16 will
Six.
not come.
No, 6 will come. You have to write just one digit. No,
Zero.
last digit. One's place you have to write.
Ma'am,
So, ma'am, the
Zero.
unit of 6. Ma'am, the unit of 16 will write because unit of
Five.
16
Yes,
is
unit
6.
of 16 you will write.
Ma'am, yes, 6.
Here you
Six.
will have 6 6
Six.
36. So 6.
5. 5. 5.
25, 5. Okay. Now the reverse question is asked. Now they have asked you the following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reason. Now 7 is there. Just check the squares. See, any number will have a square of from 1 to 9 square only. Then you have a repetition, right? So 7 is not there in the unit place of any perfect square. Is it there? Any perfect square? Have you got 7 in unit place? No, na? Are you getting
No.
any square? No. So you will say that the following, why it is not a perfect square? Because the unit place is not a perfect square. For any perfect square, your unit place.
But
has
ma'am,
to
for
be-
the fourth one, the unit is a is going to be a perfect square because it's
it is perfect square, but it should be 2 zeros. But here you have 3 zeros. Then it is a perfect cube. It can be a perfect cube, but it cannot be a perfect square because
ma'am, I didn't understand the question now.
this question they have asked why these numbers are not a perfect square. So for this you will say because 7 is not, just check Munib all the squares 1 2 3 till 9. If you check, 1 square ka unit place will be 1, 2 square ka unit place will be 4,
Two,
3 square unit place
9.
9,
4
6,
square.
4 square
8.
will be 6. I'm not
And
writing
16.
unit place, I'm writing only
Yeah.
unit place. Okay.
Got it.
5.
Ma'am, 3 will also
Five.
not come, right?
Yeah.
3 can also not come, na?
3 cannot come.
Ma'am, of 6 it will be 2, right?
6.
6 is 36, na? 6 is 36. So again you will get 6. 7 is 49. So 9 you will get. 8 is 64. So 4 you will get. And 9 ka hai 81. So 1 you will get. So only these numbers you can get in the perfect square, in the unit place of perfect square. Okay. Other than these number will not have a perfect square. Okay. Because after this repetition is there. 10 ke baad last digit will be 0. And then again 11, again 1 will be there. Again 12, again 4 will be there. Is it clear? So this repeats after it. You can see that in the last place 7 is there. No 7 in the perfect square unit place. So that is why it is not a perfect square. 3 cannot be on the unit place of a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. 8, again it is not there in the unit place. So 8 is also not a perfect square. 2, can you find 2 in the unit place?
No.
No, ma'am.
2 can, so this is also not a perfect square. 0 can be a perfect square, but 0 should be in even numbers. But here you have odd number of zeros.
Why 0 will get it?
See 10 ka square is 100, right? 100 ka square is 1 के ऊपर 4 zeros.
One,
So
zero.
if you are finding square, you will, and last digit is 0. So 0 should be in even numbers. If you are getting odd number of zeros, it is not a perfect square. Is it clear, Amina? These are
Yes.
just technique to remember. Again,
Yes, ma'am.
last digit is 2. So it is not a perfect square. Here also only 1 0 is there. So it will not be a perfect square. But perfect square
Three
is-
zeros are there. So it will also not be perfect.
again 3 zeros, so it is not a perfect square. Is it clear, everyone, how to find out without how to detect whether it can be a perfect square or not? Perfect square means after square root, you should get a whole number. You should not get a root number answer. Clear, everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to everyone? Okay. So now moving to the next. Now, this,
Ma'am,
yes, Afia. Yes, Afia, ask.
ma'am,
I was
I
not there. It
asked.
was Farhana.
I asked.
Yes, Farhan.
Ma'am, can you go one slide back, please?
Yeah. Just a moment. Yes.
The last one, there is 1 0, so that can also not happen.
Yeah, odd number of 0 is there. Na? Last digit, odd number of 0.
Okay.
You should have even number of 0 for a perfect square. Okay? And continuous, not like this. Continuous 0 should be there. Okay, so this we have already done. Types of exponent. Positive exponent, you know, when the exponent is positive, you just have to multiply. When negative exponent is there, you remember what we do in negative
Yes, we have to make a reciprocal.
reciprocal, and exponent becomes positive. Okay, zero exponent also we have done. Whatever
Yes.
base is
One.
there,
One will be the
One.
answer will be 1 only if 0
Ma'am.
power is there.
I have
Yes.
a question. What if the base is 0?
Base cannot be 0. I told you now, base cannot be 0. 0 by 0, 0 raised to 0 is not defined. Okay, so
0 is to 1.
0 raised to 1 is 0 only. 0 raised to 1, anything raised to 1 is that number only. No? 1 raised to 1 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2. So 0 raised to 1 is 0. Okay, a raised to 1 by n. Now just now we did square root, and I told you root means the power is fractional. So if it is square root, it will be 1 by 2, and we write it square root like this. If it is a cube root, we write it 3 over here, or we write it a raised to 1 by 3. I told you yesterday also when we were doing, if I have to find 3 ka cube root, 3 ka cube root can be written as
9.
like this, or it can be written as 3 raised to 1 by 3. Okay.
So, ma'am, if we want to find out a rational exponent, then we have to just make it into a cube or like whatever the number. We have to find it into root form.
Yes, no. See, always we cannot find root 3. You cannot simplify, right? Root 3 ki value you cannot simplify by prime factorization because it is a prime number and no factors are there, right? 3 and 1 only. So how will I write? I can write
Even by 7 and 17, na?
Yes. So what we do, if we have any other number, suppose I have got 27, they have asked 27 ka cube root.
27, ma'am, it gets divided by with 9.
So what can I write? I know
9.
27 is 3 cube. So I'll write 27 is 3 cube. And instead of writing this, I can write it as fractional power. 1 by 3. Now when I simplify, what happens? When I simplify, it is 3 raised to 3
Ma'am.
power to the power. Let
Ma'am.
me repeat, power to the power gets multiplied. So I will multiply it. So 3 into 1 by 3, my power becomes 1. So my answer is cube root of 27. My answer is 3. Now if you factorize and find out, you will still get the same answer.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Second, just let me complete the explanation part. So this is the second method of finding out any root. Square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, any root you can find out. Yes, Afia, now ask.
What if the number is not 3, like some other bigger number?
Let me do some questions, then you will understand. But let
Ma'am,
me,
I have one doubt. 1 minute.
yeah,
Ma'am, why will this 1 upon 3 come here?
because I have to find cube root. If I have to find fourth root, I will write it as, if I have to find, suppose fourth root, right? Suppose 6 raised to fourth root. Fourth root ko higher roots we don't write like this because I told you it is a bit confusing.
How do we do fourth roots?
So fourth root we write it like this. 6 raised to 1 by 4. we just write square root like this and maximum cube root. These roots we write in the fractional power only, okay? And if I have to make it square, if suppose they have asked you to make square of this, what will be your answer? This will be 6 raised to 2 by 4, because you have to multiply these two powers. So 2 by 4 is actually what? 6 raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what? Square root. Okay, 1 by 2 is square root. So basically your answer is root under 6. Okay, we'll do some questions, then you will understand. Because without doing, you will not understand the concept.
It's not that if it is above 10, like if the number instead of 4 is 256, something like that, then how do you do that?
Okay, let me do some questions, then you will understand. See, this is the first, this is my question. Suppose this is my question. I'm not taking, this is clear to you. 9 raised to minus 2. How will you solve it?
9 raised to 1 upon 2.
9 raised
1
to
raised to 9 upon
1 upon 9 raised to 2. This will be the answer, no? Negative exponent, you already know, no? You have to do the reciprocal. So 1 by 9 raised to 2. Now, if I take 8 raised to 2 by 3, how will I simplify? Just now pay attention, how do we simplify this? This is 1/3. First of all, just remember this is 1 by 3. That means it is a cube root, okay? So what I will do, I will just factorize this. This is 2, 8 ko, I can write 2 cube. Can we write this as 2 cube? 8 ko, I can write it as 2 cube. And
Yes.
right, I will write 2 by 3, which is the question, okay? Now power into power, power and power, it gets multiplied. So what I am getting over here, 2 raised to 3, this everything is in power, into 2 by 3. You know, in fractions, this gets cancelled out. You know that, na? So this will cancel out. And what are you left with? Your answer is 2 square. So that means your answer is, what is 2 square?
4.
4.
So this complicated question, 8 raised to 2 by 3, your answer after simplification is 4.
And I do not understand the simplification methods.
same.
You just have to apply the rules. 8 को simplify. 8 को how do we simplify? 8 को simplify as 2 cube. What have I done that you have understood?
You made 8. You simplified 8 into 2 raised to 3.
Correct. So, and outside I already have 2 by 3 power. Correct. It is there in the question. I cannot remove it. Is it clear, Amina?
Yes.
So, and you know this rule, when one power is inside and one power is outside, what is the rule that we apply in exponent?
Multiply.
We have to multiply.
Multiply the power. So base remains same and you multiply the power. The same thing I did over here. Okay. Now when I multiply 3 into 2 by 3, you know fraction gets cancelled from top and bottom.
Yes.
You know that? You can
Yes.
3 into, if I write 3 into 2 by 3, you can cancel it. You can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. You can cancel it like this. In fractions, we do like this. So if you cancel this, your power is only 2 left now. So 2 raised to 2 left. So 2 raised to 2 is what? 4. Is it
So
clear?
the answer should be 4, right, na?
Answer is 4 only.
So why I write 2
Oh, I
or
get it now.
equals to 2?
Got it? So if we do more questions, you will understand. Now see
I
here
am,
also.
but you wrote 2 over there.
No, I wrote 4 now.
Ma'am,
Oh, here.
ma'am, if the numbers are same, then only we can cancel, right? Or if they are like related to
Hey,
each
if it
other
is
in
6 into 2 by 3, then you can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6.
Right here.
Understood? If it is 6 over here,
And ma'am, if it is 3 and 9, then
3 and 9, then 3 threes are 9. Cancellation.
so, ma'am, if it is divisible, then only we can
Yes, if it is divisible,
Yeah.
then only. When simplification question is like that only, it makes shortens the root. Okay.
But ma'am, what if it is not divisible?
Then you have to write like this. Then it is the least form. Like when you do the lowest form in fraction, you simplify till the time it is divisible and then you leave it like that. Is it there? Is it clear, Abdullah?
Yes.
When you do it till the lowest form, na? When you are when some 235 upon 45 is there, fraction is there, you will cancel numerator and denominator till the time they are in the lowest form. Same way here also you will do till the time it is in the lowest form, and then you simplify. Okay. So next question, just try next question. Those who have understood, just try. I'll give you a hint. 32 is 2 raised to 5. You can find out by prime factorization also. 32 is 2 raised to 5. How will you do it? Correct. 2
Just 10, right?
2 raised to 5. And outside you will write 2 by 5.
No,
Yes.
no, just 10, right?
No. Calculate and find out. Without mental calculation is not possible in this
4.
way.
4, ma'am.
Answer again is 4. Who is doing this?
Me, Abdullah.
Abdullah, you are doing it over here.
No, this is not
Who is
me.
doing?
And me.
Okay, Saklain. You're doing correct, Saklain. Only thing is you cannot separate the power from here. So you have to do it. You have to write 2 also over here and then do like this. Okay, because only power you cannot take. Put a equal to sign. This thing, you do the power calculation and then equal to, you will get 2 raised to 2, which is equal to again 4. So again you are getting 4 answer. Ahmad, is it clear to you how to do these questions? Okay, so next question I'm not telling. 27 raised to, now power is negative also, minus 1 by 3. How will we do this?
Reciprocal.
First do the reciprocal. Then
3 raised to 3.
3 raised to 3. And outside also it is 1 by 3. Then your
How
power
can we
will not be
simplify
there.
32?
No negative powers are plain. When you have done 1 by 27, it will not be negative. It will be plus power 1 by 3.
Mom, how do we simplify?
Then what is 27, Amina? 27 is 3 raised to what?
3 raised to 3.
Correct. So 3 raised to 3 you will do. And outside is 1 by 3. So my answer will
Ma'am,
be...
the answer is 1 upon 3.
Yes, Abdullah, correct answer, 1 by 3. Your power becomes 3 into, again the power get cancelled out. 1 by 3, cancel 3, and your answer is, those who have done this question, continue
Ma'am,
to the next.
I didn't do like this, ma'am.
Anyway,
Yes, ma'am. I also got 1 upon.
so answer is 1 upon 3. Muazzam, Mudabbir, are you getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. 1 by 2 raised to minus 2. This is simple question, just a negative power. No fractional power is there.
And it is 1 upon 2 only.
What will be the answer? Safia, do this.
4, ma'am.
1
4.
upon 4. 4.
4.
Only 4. No 1 upon
Yes.
4. Because you will do the reciprocal, it becomes plus 2. So the answer is 4. Okay, next question number 6. Give me the answer for question number 6.
1 upon 2 raised to 5.
Question number 6. Yeah. Minus sign is also there. Huh? Minus sign. This minus cannot be replaced.
Ma'am, so then the answer will be in minus only, right?
Yes, answer will be in minus only. That is sure. Because you have a negative number. You can do 1 upon 2 raised to 5 and power can be positive. So basically you are doing this. Minus upside and 32 raised to, this is your actual question, 3 by 5. 32 ko replace it by 2 raised to 5 and then you will get the answer. Answer will be negative. What is the answer you're getting?
Ma'am, in this question, we'll have to do this, na? Okay. So, 2 to the power 5 and then...
Yes, into
Got
3 by 5. Here you will do. Munib, are you getting it?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 2.
Ma'am, answer is minus 1 upon 8.
Yes, correct, Ahmad. Answer is minus 1 upon 8 because this 5 and denominator 5 gets cancelled out and 2 cube you are left.
Yes, ma'am. I also got -8.
So minus 1 upon 2 cube, which is, do the next question.
I also got -1 upon 8.
Yes, answer is 1 minus 1 upon 8. Okay, next one is question number 6. Done. Question number 7 is just simple. 16 raised to 1 by 2. Basically, it is a square root. 1 by 2 is square root. So what is 16 square root?
4.
4.
4. So directly you can write, or you can write like this also. 2 raised to 4 outside, and this way also you can do, which is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 2.
2 only.
So you'll get 4 only.
That is, yes.
Any method you do, you should get the same answer. 4 by 81 raised to 3 by 2. Now do this one.
I mean, the answer will be 2, right? Because 2 raised to 1 is 2.
Which question? Amina, which
The
question?
one that you did now, 7th one.
No,
Yes,
this
ma'am, there is a mistake, ma'am.
2 2s
Ma'am.
are 4, na? I cannot cancel out
No.
4 by 2. 2 2.
No, ma'am, but 2 raised to 1
No.
is 2. So 2,
But there is
2
2
will
raised
be.
to 1.
Arey, there is 1 2 na.
Yeah, 2 is
2
there.
2s are
but
4.
Square.
Oh.
2 2s are 4. So 2 square I am getting. 2 square is 4. Can you see? Amina?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
don't see the 2.
Yeah. Last question, 4 by 81. I'm erasing this. Last question is 4 by 81 raised to 3 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So make 4 as 2 square. Just make it 2. Make this, because it is 1 by 2 now. So make it in square form. You make it 2 by 9. I can write 4 by 81 as 2 by 9 square.
Yes.
And then outside write 3 by 2. So that my by 2 power will get cancelled out. My aim is to cancel this fractional power. Okay. So I'll write 2 by 9 and power will be here 2 into 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2. Again, this 2 cancels. So you are left with 2 cube by 9 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8.
8.
And what is 9 cube? 9 nines are 81 into 9.
203.
9 sorry. 9 ones are 9 now. What is 81 into 9? 9 ones are 9. This is the answer.
729. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 7.
8 by 729 is the answer. Now the fractional power is clear to you all.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some more questions we'll do. This we have already done, minus 16. You do this one, question number 3, question number 2, start with question number 2. And give me the answer. Answer should be negative because it is a negative number. There is a difference between negative number and negative power. In negative power, we have to do the reciprocal. How will we do this? Because 1 by 4 is there. So I have to make it in the power of 4. 16 is?
4 is to
2 raised to 4. No,
2
you
raised
make
to 4.
2 raised to 4. Because it is 4 now, I want to cancel this 1 by 4. So I have to make it 2 raised to 4. So make minus 16 as
2
minus.
raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 raised to 3 by 4.
Correct. So what do you get? Minus 2 cube. Do, Abdullah?
8. Minus 8.
Answer is minus 8. I'm just writing the answer because I won't be showing you the steps now. I've already done these questions, so do it on your own. Now next one, minus 9 raised to 3 by 4 ka whole square. So which is actually 9 ko you will change it into what?
3
3.
raised
3 raised
3
to
square. 3 square.
3
Yeah.
cube.
3 raised to 2. Then you have 3 by 4. 3 by 4 ko already you multiply with 2. So you have 6 by, sorry, 6 by 4, correct? 6 by 4 ko lowest form you can do. 2 3s are 6. 2, 2. Are you getting the step which I am doing? I've just multiplied these two first.
Ma'am,
Then
ma'am,
I'll multiply.
I have a question.
Yes,
For 3 square will not be minus 9. No? You have to get minus 9.
it is outside minus. I cannot write inside. Huh?
Yeah.
It is outside. So minus, you
23
have
plus
3
9
square
is
into 3 by 2.
Answer is 27.
Minus 27.
Yeah, minus 27.
plus
Answer is minus
cos
27.
and
See, because I am making this as 3 square and already I have 2 powers outside. So I multiplied these 2 powers. 3 by 4 into 2. 3 by 4 into 2 is 6 by 4, or you can cancel it and make it in the lowest form. 3 by 2, and inside make 9 as 3 square. Okay. This question is clear to you all? Okay, fourth one.
Yes.
Fourth question. Question number 4. 27, make it 3
3
ka
raised
power.
to 3.
First, see, 27 and 27, just solve these two. What will you do to the powers? 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. Same base
And 5 by 6 plus minus 1 by 6.
is 6. So it is actually 4 by 6. Okay, so first step is apply the addition wala rule in. So your answer will be, first you will do 27 raised to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is how much, Farhana? 4 by 6? Yeah? And 4 by 6, so you can do the lowest form. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay? So basically 27 raised to 2 by 3. Now you can solve it. 27 raised to 2 by 3. Can you solve 27 raised to 2 by 3?
But we also have to multiply 27 and 27, right?
No, there is a rule. No? There is a rule when the bases are same, powers are added. This is a rule. You remember this rule? A raised to x raised to a into x raised to b. This rule we have used is equal to x raised to a plus b. This is the rule, product rule that we did in the initial classes of exponent. You remember, Ahmed?
Yeah.
This rule
Yes.
we have used. When we use this rule, you get 27 raised to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Okay?
729.
No. How will you get that? 27 is how much, Saklain? 27 is 3 cube.
Yes.
3 cube and into 2 by 3. So only 9 is the answer.
Oh, I multiplied 27 into 27.
No. 27, you have to change it into 3 cube. You cannot change the question. So it is 3 square. 3 square is the 9 answer. Answer for question number 4 is 9. Everyone completed question number 9? Now write down question number 5 in your notebook, and this is your homework. Your homework is integers last exercise and this question. This question answer I'll ask in class only. 8 raised to minus 1 by 3, you have to solve it separately.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Amina. Tell me. Yeah, Amina, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, in the fourth question,
Hmm?
in the 27 raised to minus 1 by 6, so how will we do that one?
No, we have just solved these two together using this law, Amina. This law we have used. When bases are same and you are multiplying, the powers are added. So when I add, the base remains same. So when I add the power, I get 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 because it is a negative power. Clear, Amina? So 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is how much? 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is how much? Denominators are same. 4 by 6. So I wrote 27 raised to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 can be brought in the lowest form by dividing by 2. So 2 2s are
Yeah.
2
2
3s are
raised to 3. 2
so 2
upon
by
3.
3. So 27 raised to 2 by 3. 27 you replace as 3 cube. Now it's clear, Amina? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the answer. The last one, just note down everyone this question. Written, everyone has written this question, last question. And the integer review question. Please complete it. Abdullah, now you have got both the exercises. So next class, complete it and upload it. Before that, you can upload it on Google Classroom. Before Wednesday, we have class. So before Wednesday, you just upload it on Google Classroom by Tuesday. Clear, Munir? All the questions and the concept is clear to you all? Humaira? The fractional. So we have completed this chapter of integers, fraction, integer and powers and exponent, factors and multiples, HCF, LCM. All these topics we have covered in the first unit. So any doubt is there, please ask and complete the last exercise as homework. Can I stop sharing now? All of you have
Yes,
noted
ma'am.
down the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today's class. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Monday class, I want to do one circuit experiment, current electricity experiment. If you can get, this is optional, if you can get some connecting wires, a bulb and battery, 2 batteries, I'll upload it on Google Classroom, Science Google Classroom today. Just check if you can get those things so that you can do it in the class also. While I am performing, you also do side by side. So it will be better to understand for you also. Okay.
A wire, a bulb, and a
wires, connecting wires, you know, the connection takes place now.
Yes.
Connecting wires, take a scissor or a small knife to cut the wire. You can take a scissor, masking tape, electrical tape is there to stick, you know, those tape, and batteries, the torch battery you can take, 2 batteries, and I'll write everything, okay, in the Google Classroom, and a bulb. Minimum these things you take so that we can do some experiment in the class only. Fine. If you can arrange, it is okay. If you cannot, then you just see others doing it, okay, or I'll also perform. Okay,
Okay,
I'll also
ma'am.
experiment.
Ma'am, you will upload the materials on.
I'm just now doing it. Right now I'm doing it. Okay. Okay. See you then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.